Hey YouTube, I'm just here cooking some spicy chicken breasts, all right? But I wanted to show y'all a hack that I learned online. If you microwave your garlic for however long you want to do it, like 13 seconds, 12 seconds, 10, oh shoot, not gonna use that one. It will literally just slide right out of the peel. See how easy that was? And so far, I already got a few here, ready for my chicken, ready to cut my onions up, and I'm finna be out. Oops. So I am almost done. I just need to hurry up and cut my stuff up. But I will be done. And then I will be out of here. And see? Just a little pinch. Now you will smell it because I cooked it a little too long. So it will smell like it was cooking in the microwave, which it was because I cooked too long. Okay, I'm an even person. I have to have even of everything. So I will all be what you have to do. And I will be putting my onion in it too. And I will be cooking it on high for a little bit. And then I will get ready to stick it in the oven. This is awesome. I love this bamboo board. It is the shit. And how y'all feeling about my dress? My friend got it for me when I was in recovery. I love it. It's soft. It was cheap because we had a thrift store where we lived, so it was pretty amazing. And these onions, you can cut them however thick or whatever you like it. This is not a cooking tutorial. I just wanted to let y'all know what I was doing today. But I gotta be careful with these onions, y'all, because these little fucks, they'll get you. Get you in your eye. They're nothing to joke with, I tell you. And everybody cook their chicken different, but I like a lot of onions sometimes, depending on how I'm cooking it. I always peel the outside layer off because it's so thin and it seems nasty, like it's old. I don't know. But I just don't like it. I don't like nothing old. I like nothing that look funny. I will throw it away. No offense to y'all if y'all invite me over for some food. I will smell it first, and if it don't smell good, I'm throwing it away. I'm sorry. I will be like, I respectfully decline. Don't tell me because you invited me over, I have to eat the crap. No, I don't. First off, you invited me. So I gotta put aside what I like and what I don't like and eat your food? I don't think so. Oh, excuse me. So I'm just getting ready to cook me some good chicken and be popping because it's cheap. Chicken breast is pretty cheap to me. Whether you got food stamps, cash aid, it don't matter. Chicken breast is pretty cheap to me, especially if they big, then you could stretch them a long way. You could cut them in half, which I usually do. like chicken patties. Or you could just cook them like that on the bone. I just did that because I'm lazy right now. I want chicken now. I usually make it into a meal, like cook it with rice and some broccoli. These onions is getting to me. I think I'm done after this. I can't take no more. But yeah, broccoli, rice, chicken. I think that's just about it that I cook it with. You know, just make something quick, and it's fulfilling, especially that chicken. Especially the chicken. It's really fulfilling. I don't know if y'all see my Facebook, Nene Dim. It's pretty good. I like it. It's good. So y'all don't have to make the chicken. If you don't want chicken breast, you can get chicken thighs. You can get chicken patties. You can whatever floats your boat. Everything's different for everybody. Not everybody eat chicken. Not everybody eat meat. But I certainly do. And I ain't got no shame in my game. So just thought I'd let y'all know. And onions are also good for seasoning, even if you don't like them. They're a good poultry seasoning. They're very good. Today is not a very hot day. It is pretty cool. We are getting closer to fall for the people who are in the valley. So I don't know about y'all, but I love fall. I love winter. I love wind and rain. I love it all. I'm not too fond of the heat. Okay, so I don't know about y'all, but I like to grate my cloves of garlic. It seems better to me, and I used to use this side until I realized it takes about 10 of these before you can even get about that much. So I said, F that, no more. So I use this side, which is a pretty good side. You do get pieces that fly everywhere, so be aware of that. And you do get a little bit more sometimes on the outside than you do the inside if you don't grate it right. And because mine is so dull, there's no risk of me cutting myself at all. So I just use my fingers and slide it against the grate. Because nobody got time to be cutting their fingernails, right? But I just wanted to do something today, make a random video because, I'm bored and I don't do new friends. I am adventurous, but no new friends, no. with all this tomfoolery and hell flying around. You can barely trust the ones you already was cool with. So much corrupt and evil in this world, man. Like, I'm trying to change my ways. I used to be with that out, let's go get it. No more. Like, people gotta realize you gotta be an example for your children. Especially if you have more than one, two of each kind, one of each kind, don't matter. Young, teenager. You have to be at least a positive role model. Or like making wise decisions and telling them, that's the world. That don't have to be you. That may be the world, but you don't have to follow them. You could be a senator. You could be anything you want. You could be a professor, but you don't have to be of the world. Because I sure don't want to die young. I want to live long, happy, and get to see our children live their life. And one thing I love about garlic is that really don't they don't really burn your eyes like onions do. Now I got a good amount here. I would say it's a good amount. Now I got the oven set to 350 because I like to broil it for a couple seconds. But I guarantee it might not taste amazing, but it will have some flavor to it. I will tell you that. It will have some flavor to it. And it's going to be popping. It will be popping. You know why? Because if there's one thing that Nene knows how to do, is put the flavor on anything. Just like if y'all watch Love and Hip Hop, I'm like Rockstar. I put magic on tragic, honey. Try me. And for y'all who know me, my hair is like this because I am in the kitchen. I'm not trying to have no hair be in the food. Nobody likes a nasty chef, right? For y'all who know me, I have 2 French braids. And they go, like Beyonce, down to my my knees. I like my hair very long, but in the kitchen, that's not professional. So I wrapped it up like a little updo. So I'm going to put this in the oven, and I will post another video of the finished product. See you guys later, YouTubers, and you guys have a blessed evening.